Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a CI/CD pipeline on GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the CI/CD pipelines or the workflows, you can create them by using the GitHub actions. So basically GitHub already offers you some tooling that you can use to deploy your projects. So basically you will need just to go to any repository and then uh, I'm just going to go for example to this Python app. It has nothing, but it's not really necessary. So now all you will be needing to go after you accessing your repository is by going to actions. And the easiest way to create a pipeline is to use the templates that are offered to you, since you don't want to handle all the headache with creating the scripts. And basically, as you can see, you have development, you have security, and you have the CI and CD automation, etc. Now, let's suppose that you are using a GitHub, uh, a Docker container. You can just configure a Docker file so you can have deployed your own Docker file. Mm, Well, it really depends on what you are using in the project. You can set up a workflow, of course, for yourself, but that would create a main.yml, and from here you can add all your own uh, scripts. And even here, you can find many templates that you can use. For example, this one would set up a Node.js environment. I'm just going to click and it will import it. So as you can see, this is a script that you can use for setting Node.js environments. You can copy it, paste it here, and then you can commit the changes. Otherwise, you can still stick with what we said, is just to choose a workflow from here. For example, deploying a Node.js to Azure Web Apps and click on configure, and then it will create the whole scripts for you. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.